Hello to all my friends and viewers. Uh, I'm just doing a reading for what is there stored there for all of us in next 8 days or 10 days. So, if you're watching this video, then there must be a message. As I always say, there must be a message for you all in this video. So, just be tuned in and let's see what is stored for all of us in next 10 days. It doesn't matter when you see, it is not date wise. So whenever you just come across, just have a question in your mind and just watch the video and you will definitely get some answer uh, from these beautiful insights which we get from this these readings. Here are some cards already. What is there which is stored for all of us in next few days, 8 to 10 days? I will draw more cards. Hope everybody is doing good after this heavy Mercury retrograde. Yes, many people and same me also have this thing that was feeling very heavy, and everybody must be feeling very heavy and overthinking or something like problems related to their gadgets, electrical problem, or some past things have come up to deal with. So this was all due to the Mercury retrograde which we had recently, and it has I think today or yesterday it has been again moving straight. So now that period is over, and we just need to calm our minds because its effects will be the effect will be there for more 2 3 days. So just calm down yourself and do some little grounding. So let's start with the insights what the cards are giving to us. But I see that there was certain things which I was telling, or certain things which come up to you guys also, because here you feel that feel somebody made you feel that you are a victim or something um, uh, in recent past, and you were they were showing, they always try to show, yeah, show that you're not worth, or um, you're not worth. What I'm getting the word is um, there must be a confusion every time to what to do if you're in a relationship. अगर आप किसी relationship में, then you must be feeling like कि आप आप कोई confusion stage में हैं जहाँ पर आप कुछ भी डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, and you are playing as a victim whatever they are saying, and whatever some in office also, if you are not able to do whatever you are meant to do, and there is a confusion every time, and every time somebody or other is just pouring their what you say, just pouring their head into you, and you're not liking what they were trying to do. So आप अपने अपने इस कंफ्यूजन से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश में पूरा टाइम लगे रहे थे, बिकॉज आपको इस टाइम पे, अब जो आगे आने वाले टाइम पे, आपको अपने आप को इन इन लाइक आपको अपने आप को सेंटर करना पड़ेगा, अपना अपने अपने आप को इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा, अपने आप के ऊपर टाइम देना पड़ेगा, एंड you just know you just have to work on your heart chakra, and you just have to cut that circle of negative things around you, and you just have to be in your own self or your own power, and you just have to regain and do some affirmations or something like that, so that daily for 21 days, 45 days, you just note down few affirmations, so that it will help you in further progress of yours. Also, there are cards for completion. So, as I said, you need to do that is you need to just be complete in yourself. This is the time when you should pay attention to whatever is going around was not for you. जितना भी चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में हो रही थी was not for you. You are here for in this life to have joy. You are आप खुद इतने इस लाइफ में अगर कोई अब कभी आए हैं तो गॉड ऑल्सो सेज दैट यू एन्जॉय योर लाइफ एट द फुलेस्ट, क्योंकि जितने ट्रबल्स आपके लाइफ में आते जाते हैं वो दे आर नॉट यू, दे यू जस्ट हैव टू फेस दैम, बट यू हैव टू बी रियली integrated and joyous from inside. You just have to be really joyous from inside, come out of that confusion and come out of that victim space जहाँ पर आपको आप अपने आप को कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. और फॉर सम ऑफ यू देयर विल बी a time where you have lost some of your lost some of your loved ones, or there can be a separation in relationship, and there can be somebody very close has gone, leaving you alone, and you are missing them a lot. But always remember, they are always there with you. Always remember that they are always there with you. Whenever you are missing them, they are always giving blessings to you, and they are sending lot of positive energy. Sun always represents our positive energy, so they are always watching you, and they are there with you whenever you are remembering them. So keep them in your memories, and keep them in your like your angels, guardian angels. They will come and they will protect you, they will guide you, and just don't be they want you to be joyous, uh, and come out of your situation which they have seen you crying, or they have seen you worried. So just they want you to be coming out of that situation. Also, they pay attention and pay gratitude to the things which you have in your life. There will be loved ones, there will be, see, for some of you there will be some new you are gonna give birth to new ideas, birth to new baby or something like that. Something new is coming in your life where you will be able to that person's energy will change your entire um circumstances, entire it is said in India, right, that whenever a child is has come, a new soul has come in our life, they will just have God's energy around them, and पेरेंट्स की लाइफ में वो लोग एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज लेके आते हैं. तो जस्ट पे अटेंशन दैट आपकी लाइफ में भी अगर ऐसा कोई न्यू बेबी या न्यू बर्थ का टाइम है, तो जस्ट बी just keep trusting, and there will be much love around you this week. And you will if there is some misunderstandings between partners, or between work on or on work area, there will be understanding, and there will be, if you are like if you are like from many days you were like finding yourself in some cage or something, then this is the chance. You will be out of that cage, you will meet a like person, you will meet people who are alike, and they will come and meet you, and you are ready to get this um, flight with them. So just come out of your fears, confusion, or anything which is holding you back from doing something new, because now the days are coming where you will be like there are times when you are not that much fruitful or flowering, or what you say, you're not shining, you feel like you're not shining, you're not that uh, that charismatic, or something is missing in you. But now you will be in your all that feminine um, um, powers. And yeah, I'm not getting the word. You will be in your powers, and you will shine, and you will feel beautiful inside you. You will be like Mother Earth, um, uh, divinely protected from your aura. Just do some meditation daily, or prayers. Listen to the prayers daily for your protection, and you will shine definitely. In this next 8 to 10 days, there will be a there you will get signs of your positive, what is positive going around. Yes. And you will be ready with you. We know that, we all know that you are delicate, um, you are just fragile. You can be fragile at the moment, and you are delicate, but you are not weak. Always remember, you say, I am delicate, but I am not weak. I am strong enough to face any difficulties. I am a fighter. And always remember that in this life, you have been fighting from so many years. And definitely this time also, whatever is coming, you are ready with all your inner power, and to fight back. And just don't be a victim of your surroundings. I'm just seeing that something or other thing is disturbing. I don't know what is with the focus. Okay. Now, something or other thing is disturbing, and here there are two completion cards. So, if you are feeling that you are not complete, and there are certain things which are not settled, or there is no completion, then this is the time, this is the phase where you will be completed in certain senses, and you will be guided by your angels and your ancestors everywhere. You will be very you have passed this entire 1.5 year like anything. Now you will be passing this 10 days with more ease, and there will be a sense of completion, there will be a sense of protection, and there will be a new beginning, new shining, new day to begin, new things to give birth, new ideas to give birth, new planning which you are planning from so many days, and you are not able to do it. Then you will be getting that push, and you will be starting off with that planning also, and that with that idea also. Whatever it is, just take that first step and just start doing it. And I'm damn sure that you will be able to complete mm, your this entire set which you are planning. Either it can be business, or you are stepping up onto something, studies, or you are just wanting something else in, and you are not able to, you are not that confident, or showing your love to somebody. It can be that also, which I am getting. Mm. So yes, there is definitely, this is a confirmation card. Don't know about the focusing. This is the confirmation card that you will be definitely, the ideas will be fruitful. What you are planning, this is the time to execute them, and just focus on whatever you had planned for. And uh, things will be on the right side. Whatever emotional traumas you are dealing with, you will definitely get easily out of it. Secondly, secondly, when if you have a planning in with you, you will try, you have decided what side. There were two paths, and they said that it was like you were confused, where should I go? But now you will sit back, you will think, and you will just decide and be very confirmed about which path you are going to. And this can be uh, mm, this can include traveling also, and you will just travel to your destined position. And if it is about job or work, then you will be able to go that place and just follow your dreams and pursue them. And this can be about in love. If you are watching, then this can be about your the two men in your life or women in your life, where there can be a confusion. At many times we are into some certain kind of confusion. Then this is a very good time when you will be able to focus, and you know that which path you have to take. And from many months you might have been thinking about this. Now you have decided, and you will definitely move forward in that path. And where your family will also be agreeing and supporting you. If it is a business, they will be helping you in monetary terms also, and you will get full support and comfort from your family. And yes, the path whichever you are choosing will be definitely a path where in future you will be definitely uh, in a position of self in a position of um, what do you say, in a position of a proper balance in your family life and proper at now. There must be that you are not able to make them understand what you are doing to your family or to your loved ones, but after few 4, 5, 10 months, you will be definitely able to make them understand that you are on right path. Yes, there will be certain distractions. Always stay away from such kind of energies which will just scold you, or which will just make your path more difficult, or which will say that you are not on right path, you are not doing right. And just if you are in a certain relationship where you feel that you are in a toxic relationship, and the person is not, you will get this intuition that that person is not worth you, or not not for you. Then if there are two choices, then you have to take the right choice. This is the time when you will take the right choice and get out of that toxic relationship of yours. This is the right time to just focus on that thing, and don't focus on the energies which are not meant for you. So this is a time when you will get out, you will make your way, and you will get out of that toxic energy, and you will just be surrendered to certain other aspects of your life, and you will just go towards towards that person or that energy where you will feel complete in your life, and you will feel a sense of security in your life. And you will definitely come out of that confusion state, and being victim in that relationship, which is clearly seen in here, that there is something. And I find that I'm feeling that there this is out for somebody, which I'm seeing. I don't know who it is, but this is a male who is being in a stressful relationship. I don't know who this is coming for. It is for one of you or many of you, or I don't know. But there is a male who is in this situation where he's in a toxic relationship, brutally tortured by a female energy, and he want to come out of that energy, and he's not able to come out of that energy, and he's been victimized, and he's really confused, and he's really burned out himself in every time he's with that person. So now whosoever it is, just make it sure to come out of that situation, and just make yourself complete, and just talk to that person, or just anyhow come out of that situation. That will the best thing for you to do. So guys, this was for 7 to 8 days. Work wise also, you have to come out of some toxic, like some colleagues or boss or something which you need to break that chain. Then just break that chain, and just be calm, and be with the tribe where you are comfortable with. You don't need to give answers. You are not bonded to give answers to anybody that why you are not with them. So just be silent and just move on. Best way to answer anybody's nonsense or anger is to stay calm and stay, you just need not to give them any answers if they are not understanding, in spite of you telling them again and again. So guys, this was what was a short reading for you all, for whenever you see this video. And I thank you all for all these months where I was also in a phase of healing, and I was not doing much of this work. So now I have been starting with, I've taken this my pause period, and I will be again starting my readings also. And I was doing readings, but I was not doing that aggressively. But now again I'm starting with, I'm opening it with uh, um, for all of you. So hopefully you have enjoyed the video, and for personal readings you can come to my Instagram page at Tarot with Shiva Bhavna, and you can contact there with me directly for any personal guidance or reading uh, uh, you are you are wanting to get a session or something. So I will be really happy to help you out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Om Namah Shivaya.